Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Lyca Mobile eSIM. So if you have just purchased a Lyca Mobile eSIM and you need to get it working on your phone, the setup process may take a few minutes. So in this video, I will show you exactly how you can do it. Now, first of all, before starting, you need to make sure that your phone supports the eSIM technology and your carrier is also unlocked. Most of the newer iPhones, Samsung Galaxy devices, and the Google Pixel support the eSIM, but it's always worth verifying first. So after purchasing your Lyca Mobile eSIM, you will receive the eSIM QR code by the email address or via your Lyca account. So you need to keep that QR code ready because you will need it during the activation. Now for the activation, if you are using your Android phone, you just have to come inside the settings of your device. Inside your settings, simply select the option of mobile network, which is given over here. After selecting the option of mobile network, you will see the option of add eSIM. If you are using iPhone, instead of selecting the option of mobile network, you will find cellular. Then inside it, you will see the option of add eSIM. Now, after tapping on the option of add SIM, simply select the option of scan the QR code. Then use your phone's camera in order to scan that particular code. So after scanning, your phone will connect to the network and it will download the eSIM profile. This usually takes less than a minute depending on your internet connection. So once the download is finished, you just have to follow further prompts in order to enable the new mobile plan. You may be asked to choose whether the Lyca line will be used for calls, messages, etc. So after doing this, you need to also restart your phone, and after rebooting, check the signal bars and try making a call, sending a text, and using the mobile data. If everything works for you, it means that your Lyca Mobile eSIM has been activated successfully. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.